Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something special to show. We're going to unbox the new Godox AD600Pro II together. Some really great updates have been made compared to the AD600 Pro, which has already been a favorite amongst photographers. So let's get right into it. First, let's check out what comes in the box. Then we'll check out the new design and improved features. We'll test the modeling light, go through some menu features and try the new one-tap sync option with the X3 trigger. And lastly, we'll go through some important battery info, so stick around until the end. Here we've got the flash body plus reflector, the battery, the flash bulb, and the charger, which is the same as for the AD600 Pro. So if you've got both lights on a shoot, you only need a single charger, which is great. Let's put this light together. Here's what the new design looks like. Definitely a bit more modern than the AD600 Pro, with some improved key features. The first thing we'll notice is the on-off button, which was previously located on the bottom of the body and is now a dual function button next to the display. Next, we have the group indicator lights on both sides of the body, very easily visible. We'll get more into those later. They have removed the USB-A slot. Now we only have a USB-C slot on the top. We'll turn it on with a long press of the on and flash button, then turn the dial to unlock. As you can see, the display now has a different look, much brighter, new font and color-coded, so it's much easier to see, especially in bright sunlight. And as this flash is marketed as an outdoor flash, that's a huge improvement over the black and white and kind of dark display of the AD600 Pro. Coming back to the group indicators, let's check out the 16 different colors they provided here. If you want to know more about groups and why you might need them, let us know in the comments and we can make a separate video about that. Another press of the mini button gets you back out. The AD600 Pro II also has an improved modeling light, going from the Pro's 38 watts to 40 watts on this one. Let me just dim the light so you can test it out properly. This update is great news for anyone shooting hybrid and might avoid having to bring an extra light just for a few video clips. You can turn it on two ways, either go into the menu, enter free, or if you're in a rush or always shoot in the same setting, you can just long press the modeling light button on the left here and it will turn to the last setting you had it on. From the menu, you can choose the brightness. If you're using it as a video light, be advised that the fan will be noticeable after 21%. So if you want to record sound, it is not as quiet as a proper video light. Another great feature is that they have made the modeling light bi-color, going from 2800 to 6000 Kelvin, giving you more options for video. If you go down to prop, the modeling light will be proportional to the flash power you have set, giving you the option to see exactly what your lighting will look like before taking the picture. This is especially good for beginners learning about lighting, or if you want to get into more advanced lighting techniques. You can change the color temperature here as well, although I'm not sure why I would make it different to the daylight balanced flash. If you have any use for that, let me know what for. This flash now has 10 stops until 1/512, which gives you a very fast flash duration of 1/11,760 with a recycle time of 0.01 to 0.9 seconds. Here you can see the corresponding speed change when you change the power output. If you're like me and you prefer decimals, you can change that in the menu. We also have a freeze mode, which only works in manual and multi-mode. More on the multi-mode later, which gives you a fast flash duration of 1/20,400 seconds. This is amazing if you're photographing fast-moving objects or people in motion and you really need to capture and freeze that movement. There's also a stable color temperature mode, high-speed sync, and photocell. Within photocell, you have two options. S1 means this flash will trigger with the first flash of the main stroke. The S2 function will make it fire on the second one and ignore the pre-flash. If you want photocell explained in a bit more detail, comment it down below as with any other feature we cover here. These terms and concepts can be very confusing and a lot of information at once, so just let us know if you want something explained and we will make a video about that. The multi-mode is a stroboscopic feature, which means it will flash rapidly for multiple images of a moving subject in a single photograph. And we also have the TTL feature right here. Just like the AD600 Pro, the AD600 Pro II has a Bowens Mount. Just slide this to the back and twist to the side to release or secure accessories. If you don't want to use this flash as a battery-powered strobe, you can use the AC26 adapter to connect it to the mains, and you won't have to worry about having the battery charged or running out in the middle of the shoot. The flash can be triggered by the following series: X Pro II, X3, X2T, V1 Pro, V1, V860 Mark III. With the X3, you can use new one-tap sync feature, which is super fast. You only have to access the settings in the trigger, go to wireless and tap on wireless sync. If you now go to the wireless feature on the flash and press the same button, it will connect within less than a second. Instead of having to set the channel and an ID, this is a great feature to save time and be more efficient, especially if you have clients or models waiting for you. There we go, that was all. Now we can control it from anywhere. Now for the battery info. If you've depleted the battery completely, recharge it as soon as possible. Do not store it when the battery is completely dead. If you recharge it, the battery can be stored for a while without usage. If you haven't used the battery for more than a month, it will automatically go to sleep. If that happens, you need to reactivate the battery to charge it or to use it by pressing the battery indicator button. In conclusion, I think this is one of the best flashes on the market, and it really is an upgrade from the previous AD600 Pro. I would still like to test out the modeling lamp for videos and see if it would truly work as a hybrid light, but as for the flash, the price point, the easy controls and the bicolor modeling lamp, it is a fantastic product. Let us know in the comments below what you think about the new features, if you would like to test the modeling light on a video shoot with us, and let us know what you would like to see next. Subscribe to our channel for more photography content and don't forget to like this video. See you next time.